Hello, my name is Saima Kazi, and I am the Key Account Manager, Additive Manufacturing, Multijet Fusion at Evonik. I have been working in this good collaboration between HP and Evonik now for almost 9 years. And like you can see here, this collaboration is now almost 10 years. And we started in 2016 with the 4200, where the first material was the PA12, which is actually the most important material for the multi-jet fusion to get strong and rigid parts, and also with low waste, low carbon footprint. And the 4200 was the first machine, but of course, like you can see in 2025, lot has been evolved in the time in between, and we are really proud of presenting also these new materials. So of course, the 5200 and the 5600 with the different materials. So of course, the PA12 still remains the working horse for all the machines. But other than that, we have materials like the PA12 white. For example, here some of the parts here. So if you are looking for excellent white parts and also to be dyed in bright colors, this is the material of choice you should be looking for. And you can see, you can really get nice bright parts. And of course, we have other materials. So if you're looking for dimensionally stable parts with low waste, so we have the PA12 with GB inside. So the parts on the screen are located. And of course, if you are looking for materials which are more flexible, elastomeric materials, we have the TPA for use in different applications, including also in footwear for excellent rebound. Yeah. So, and the newest development is, of course, our flame retardant material, the PA12 with flame retardant V0. And this is a non halogenated material, and you can see you really get very smooth parts with this material. And we have companies like Bronimec who have been really making good use of this material and bringing really new applications to the market and making innovations possible. Yeah, so we are really happy to work together with HP in this nice collaboration. And of course, we are working also on new materials, on new innovations to make really faster machines possible, to make also further reduction in TCO, and also to lower our carbon footprint, and to make really multi-jet fusion the most successful additive manufacturing technology. Yeah, so yes, please stay tuned and please contact us if you have any questions on any materials, machines, or anything related to the whole process. We are here to help you. So thank you. And yes, feel free to come by and ask us your questions. Thank you.